Understanding the phrase, reopen old wounds. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, reopen old wounds. This phrase is rich in meaning and commonly used in both written and spoken English. Understanding it can greatly enhance your language skills, especially in understanding context and emotions in conversations. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it effectively in your daily interactions. Reopen old wounds refers to the act of bringing up past grievances, hurts, or unresolved issues that have since been buried or forgotten, causing the emotional pain experienced in the past to resurface in the present. The phrase metaphorically compares emotional pain to a physical wound, suggesting that just as a physical wound can reopen and become painful again, so can emotional pain when reminded of or confronted with past events. The phrase, reopen old wounds, uses the metaphor of injury and healing to describe emotional states and processes. This metaphor is common in many languages and cultures, reflecting a universal human experience of emotional pain and recovery. Its exact origins are difficult to pinpoint, as the concept of comparing emotional hurt to physical injury is deeply ingrained in human communication. However, its widespread use in English literature and everyday conversation has cemented its place in the language. To better understand how to use reopen old wounds, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal relationships, bringing up their past argument about finances did nothing but reopen old wounds, making it harder for them to move forward. 2. In social and political contexts, the documentary on the Civil War aimed to shed light on historical truths but risked reopening old wounds among the communities involved. 3. In personal healing and therapy, discussing her childhood experiences was a difficult process that reopened old wounds, yet it was crucial for her healing journey. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts, emphasizing the emotional impact of revisiting past hurts. When using the phrase, reopen old wounds, it's important to be mindful of the context and the emotional state of those involved. It's most appropriately used in situations where there's a need to describe the resurgence of past pain or conflict. However, it should be used with caution, especially in sensitive or vulnerable contexts, to avoid unintentionally causing distress. Understanding the phrase, reopen old wounds, enriches your English vocabulary with a powerful way to describe emotional experiences and the impact of revisiting past hurts. We hope this exploration helps you grasp not just the meaning but also the depth of emotion and history behind this common expression. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communicating human experiences and emotions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.